MetaMask is a crypto wallet that lets you store, send, receive, and interact with cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. To install MetaMask, start by visiting the official MetaMask website and head to the download section. In this video, we'll be using the MetaMask browser extension, but it's also available as a mobile app for both Android and iOS devices. Installing the extension is as simple as selecting your browser and downloading MetaMask from its official extension store page. Once the extension is installed, MetaMask will open automatically and give you two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Since we're starting from scratch, click Create a new wallet. Follow the on-screen steps, create a strong password, and within a few seconds, your wallet will be ready to use. Before you start using it, there's one more very important step. Open the Settings menu, head to Security and Password, and locate your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to store these words somewhere safe, ideally in more than one secure location. Many people recommend writing the phrase down on paper and keeping it somewhere only you can access, rather than storing it digitally. Your secret recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access to it. If it's lost or forgotten, no one, not even MetaMask, can recover your wallet or restore access to your funds. And that's all there is to it. Your MetaMask wallet is now ready to use, whether you're on desktop or on mobile.